Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be driving through Spanish Town, and Spanish Town is the capital of the parish of St. Andrew. Spanish Town is also the second oldest town in Jamaica, but it's the oldest major town. Seville in St. Anne was actually the first town set up, but it was never as large or as developed as Spanish Town. Alright, so on the right we just passed Phil's Hardware, which is the largest hardware store in Spanish Town, and we are heading towards the town center basically of Spanish Town. Now recently it was announced that a new building is going to be built at the Spanish Town Hospital. A very lovely building, 6 stories high I think it is. We're going to go into it in more detail in another video, but it's a very impressive looking building, and it's going to change the landscape of the entire hospital. So I must say, it was announced recently, so it would be this current government that is putting the project together, and it's very nicely done. I must say, that's the kind of progress you like to see in Jamaica. Alright, so at this intersection you're going to, if you turn right, that's the entrance you would take to go to Sligoville and also to other areas like St. Jago Heights and a lot of other residential communities. But we're going to stay on the main road today and head into the town. Now I'm not sure if the camera can pick it up, but to the right there is a bridge, which is a cast iron bridge, and that is the oldest cast iron bridge in the Western Hemisphere. There it is. Okay, it's a very historic bridge. It's no longer open for vehicular traffic, but pedestrians can go across it, and that bridge was built back hundreds of years ago. It's the oldest cast iron bridge in the Western Hemisphere. Okay, on the left is the St. Catherine Health Center, and then coming up now on the left is the Spanish Town Hospital, and that's where they're going to be building the new facilities. That's the Spanish Town Hospital on the left. We will keep you guys updated as to the progress of the project. I don't think the actual construction has started yet, but it was announced, and what the building is going to look like was put out, and a lot of persons were saying or commenting that since they're going to be building so many buildings, it's as if they're building a new hospital. They were saying, why not leave the Spanish Town Hospital as is and build that building at a new spot so you would have another hospital. But the Ministry of Health said it would have been easier to do it at this facility because they're not going to be interfering with the critical areas of the hospital. So it's not like you're going to lose hospital beds, you're just going to gain that kind of thing. And Spanish Town has a very large population. It's the largest population outside of the city of Kingston, so naturally you would need a very large hospital in Spanish Town. And being the capital of St. Catherine, and there is no hospital in Portmore, so persons in Portmore also has a very large population. They would have to use this hospital or go to a hospital in Kingston. Alright, we just turned onto Church Pen Road, and we are heading through the town of Spanish Town. Okay, on the right is the Spanish Town prison now, And you can look at the architecture and just guess how long ago this building was built. It was built hundreds of years ago. And it's one of the largest prisons in Jamaica. On the left is the Spanish Town Methodist Church. Now, Spanish Town was originally built by the Spanish settlers, and then England took over Jamaica, and Jamaica was an English colony until recently. However, the head of state for Jamaica is still the English monarchy. So it was Queen Elizabeth II, but she recently passed, so the head of state is now King Charles III. Alright, so we're going to turn left here now and head back towards French Street. Some persons have said in the comment section that we complain too much about the state of the roads and things, so we are not going to comment too much on the bad roads. Just gonna say hopefully they get fixed soon. The government did say they're focusing on the main roads now, and then once the main roads are fixed, they will focus on the other roads, like the residential roads and those kind of things. Now, this road, I don't think this road would fall under the NWA, the National Works Agency, that is. The National Works Agency, they control the main roads in Jamaica. The parochial roads are controlled by the parish council. So the St. Catherine Parish Council would probably be in charge of most of these roads that we're driving on in this video. Alright guys, so we're now going to turn right and go on to French Street, where you see that model store. We're going to turn right there and go on to French Street. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe, and also leave your comments in the section below. We love to get feedback from you guys so that we can improve and know what to do and what not to do. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Have a good day.